Hello everybody, this is Minimymo, and I'm here to say I'm going to be doing my makeup in pride color with stickers today. You know how you put on blush and stuff? I feel like I want to try these tiny little hearts. I want to put them on me, like on my cheeks, and then put like a ton of blush on and see how it turns out. So yeah, and before I get started, here is a cute little lipstick that I found online. It's got a little flower in it. Anywho, let's do this. I decided I'm gonna do these two flags. I'm gonna be doing the pansexual flag and the transgender flag, on my eyelids. And yes, my eyebrow is freaking messed up. I have trichotillomania, mania, so I pluck hairs without knowing, and sometimes I do know, but yeah, it just happens. But anyway, let's get started. Thank you.
Why don't you fly away? You can leave, why do you stay? Hey little bumblebee, why don't you bumblebee yourself, buzz on by? Hey little bumblebee, why don't you bumblebee yourself, buzz on by? Let yours fly, fly, fly away. You can fly high, so why do you stay? You can fly high, so why do you stay? You can fly high, so why do you stay?
Just so you know, I was thinking of doing rainbow colors for my eyebrows, but I figured since this one's messed up, I'm just gonna do regular brown for it, because, like, literally, I don't think it's gonna help any.
Can't you We're see? Not meant to be. Can't you see? My little bumblebee. Hey, little bumblebee, why don't you bumblebee yourself, buzz on by? Hey, little bumblebee, why don't you bumblebee yourself, buzz on by? Let yours fly, fly, fly away. Let yours fly, fly, fly away. Fly, fly, fly away. Carry on my wayward son, there'll be peace when you are done. Lay your weary head to rest, don't you cry no more.
Okay, here's the fun part. Well, actually the whole thing. But I'm gonna put some stickers on, and this is the blush I picked because it's brighter and it's redder.
Carry on, you will always remember. Carry on, nothing equals the splendor. And now your life's no longer empty. Surely heaven waits for you. Carry on, my wayward son. There'll be peace when you are done. Lay your weary head to rest. Don't you cry no more.
know? It just looks a little patchy. Well, we tried. Now let's just put lipstick on, then I'll be done. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna make my mustache hairs look more mustachy. Okay. It looks smudgy. I wish I had like more like thin. That does not look bad, but I'd rather have a beard than a mustache, but my mustache is growing in more than my beard, so yeah, good enough. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. This is Minimymo signing off. Bye.